Now we're gonna go look at the website. So here's her website, Nerdy Bebop. So here's the website, Nerdy Bebop. Here's the about, and we're gonna add the Nerdy Bebop. We're gonna add this to the chat room as well. Okay. Big YouTubers pay people to deal with their problems.
I'm a big YouTuber.
And don't you forget it. What's going on Twitch? What's up? What's up? Salute to you. Big YouTubers pay people to solve their problems. Absolutely. And they clout chase what they don't get.
Shots fired!
So anyway, so this is the website created. Let's check out the about me for a second. So this is the girl. A black woman owned blog. Okay, and she has a t-shirt, Smash University. Hello. So anyway, so here we go to the blog. So first thing first, she has a website, a blog. A blog is content. So that's there we go. That's step one. A blog is content. Okay, so that's good. So here's the directory. So here's the list, and the list has 302 entries, updated February 22nd. That's this week. And here goes the list, alphabetical order. And once you click B, it automatically goes. This guy has 472,000 followers. Okay. And once you click a letter, it automatically goes to the corresponding Twitch streamer. And she has people with 82 followers, 290 followers, 185, 101, 88. So she has followers of all sizes on this website. And another thing too is it has a link. It shows it's updated. You can also get your problem solved on Twitter if you cry hard enough. Listen, that's a fact too. You can definitely get all your problems solved if you cry a lot on Twitter. So, you know, if y'all into crying on Twitter, definitely take a look, because you might get all your problems solved there as well. That's a big fact. Matter of fact, I got another sound effect for Trent just for that. Hold on. I got to get Trent a sound effect just for that shit. Okay, there we go.
Emotional damage.
There we go. If you go on Twitter with your emotional damage, you'll get your problem solved easily, effectively. So anyway, so here's the website. Again, if you guys want to see more people get the conversation, get the information, sharing me out to your social media platforms is greatly appreciated. Helps more people get the information, get into the conversation, and get this knowledge. Anyway, so yeah, so once they're live, it shows the little live symbol. So we're gonna click this girl here. Yeah, so it pulls up their Twitch channel. It says that she was live, but she's not live. And then we're going to go to another Twitch stream. Let's go to a guy now. Pulls up their stream. Well, they're not live. It looks like they were live today or yesterday. And it pulls up their channel. If you cancel something. Definitely if you cancel something, right? So this website works, right? This is a solution to the problem. The problem was solved through content, right? Let's see. Yep, so all of these black Twitch creators pop up and they're all easily searchable, right? I know that one. No. They're all easily searchable and they all are on this website, okay? This is amazing. Now let's go to her Twitter. There you go. So here's her Twitter, okay? Here's the girl's Twitter. Ashley Mika, she, her. She has a Facebook page. And this is her cosplay stuff. And she's a creator as well. So she has a blog and she's on Twitter. She doesn't have a YouTube. No YouTube. But she's visible on social media. And that's another thing too. In order to solve problems, right, you need to be visible on social media. And then you need to be visible on various social media platforms. So that when you do look to solve an issue, to solve a problem, you can tackle that problem from multiple websites, right? You can't just solve a problem on one platform and think that's going to branch out to everywhere on the internet. That's not how that works. Maybe we should add a category for things they stream, like FPS games or platformers. That's an excellent update to that, right? That's even better, right? Like now, right? You have a category. So say you go up here and she has a category right here or here. A drop down menu says, okay, FPS, MMO, just chatting, talking, whatever the categories are on Twitch, and they got a whole bunch of categories. Use that as a way to make it even better for people to be found and people to be searched up on Twitch.